Hi, I'm Carl Hamilton with CecilDaily.com. I'm on Vanderland Drive west of Chesapeake City. At about 11:30 on the night of June 3rd, a resident on this street shot and killed an unarmed intruder. The intruder, identified as 41-year-old David Everson Jr., who lived near Chesapeake City, died a short time later of a single gunshot wound to his chest. During their investigation, detectives with the Maryland State Police learned that Everson had sent several threatening messages by phone and by text to his ex-wife, who lived in that house with her new husband, whom investigators identified as the shooter. Detectives also learned that Everson had committed other acts that night to put the couple in fear for their lives. This week, Cecil County State's Attorney Ellis Rollins III announced that no criminal charges would be filed against the shooter, concluding that the shooting was justifiable.
This is a legitimate case of self-defense. There was reason for them to be apprehensive about their health and safety and well-being. His ex-wife actually called 911 on two separate occasions that evening asking for help, and she was on the phone with 911 when the shooting occurred. They had turned all the lights out in the house. They had locked the door. They had actually changed the locks on the house, but unbeknownst to them, Mr. Everett had a key to the house, so they were somewhat surprised when he was able to come through the front door, and that's when the shooting occurred. Again, we looked very, very closely at it, and under Maryland law, you have an absolute right to defend yourself in your house under those circumstances.